We got a great show. I'm very excited for our next guest. He is the host of Bon Appetit and one of the many people on High Maintenance. Please give it up for Abdullah Saeed.
All right. Wow. This is the first place I ever performed. You know that? Right here. Yeah. The old tie. The Nasty Writer. It's like I call it Nasty Writer too. But yeah, good shit. How you guys doing? You feeling good tonight? Awesome. Me too, pretty much, I guess. But I won't tell you about the bummer stuff. I'm gonna say good, positive things right now. You know, just for you guys. I'll put a cork in the bullshit. So you know what's been bothering me a little bit, but not really bothering me, but I noticed it and I thought it was weird. You know the actress Glenn Close, right? Yeah. Her first name is Glenn. What? She has the same first name as like a New England Patriots fan? It's very strange. I live in East LA in a neighborhood called Boyle Heights. Does anyone else live in? Yeah, a few people. Put your wallets away. But yeah, so I was walking down the street the other day in my neighborhood, and a gentleman from across the street, he called over to me. He said, "Go home, you fucking gentrifier," right? Which is fair. But also, I was like, this gentleman believes I'm a member of the gentry. You know? I was like, gentrifier, bro, I'm Pakistani. My father shat under a tree until he was well into his 30s. Very smart man. Later went to MIT, but didn't use a conventional toilet until he was a full-grown adult. You know? I bet still sometimes when he's in his house in Massachusetts, you know, sitting on his Western toilet in his bathroom, he's like, fuck it, just for old time's sake, and pops a squat up on the seat. Oh, it's so comfortable for me. It's in our blood. I might shit my pants just doing this right here. It's so relaxed, you know? But yeah, a lot of people don't realize there's a learning curve to using a Western toilet, you know? Think about it. For like thousands and thousands of years, right? Human beings shat onto or into the ground. Still, to this day, most people shit onto or into the ground. And then like 100 years ago, some guy in America was like, you should shit in a chair. We should all be shitting in chairs. I've developed a chair that you can shit in. Spread the word, you know? Some people are not gonna catch on to this so fast, you know? There's a lot of places in the world where there's a lot of resistance to this type of, you know, bathroom colonialism. You know what I'm saying? Now people don't like it. And then, you know, of course, there's like the great equalizer, the squatty potty, right? Really fantastic invention, thanks to like Mr. Wonderful or whoever it was that's responsible for, you know, making that a thing. But yeah, I mean, that has a learning curve too. I got my father a squatty potty last Christmas, and then I went to visit him like a month ago, and I pulled into the driveway, and the squatty potty was sitting in the front lawn in front of a pile of human shit. That's not how you use that, Dad. You know? But yeah. All right, I'll stop with the poop stuff. You know, I have a lot more, but like, I don't want to like become the guy, you know? Like, it's the shit guy. You're about the shit guy. No thanks. So I used to live in New York City. Did anyone else here live in New York City? Ever? Oof. We all share the same trauma, huh? We're all in the same like support group. But life was quite a bit different for me there. Uber was a big part of my life, of course. I see how you're looking at me. I'm not the Uber driver who drove you over here, sir. No, I was a passenger. I was an Uber passenger, just like everybody else. But it started to become a little bit difficult for me. I had to call Uber and have them change my name in the app. All right, my name is ABDULLAH SAEED. Right. I don't know what reason you're thinking that I would, have to do that, but really it's because most of the Uber drivers in New York are Muslims, and I'm also Muslim, but I'm a very bad Muslim. Right. I don't want to talk to another Muslim. Are there any Muslims here in the crowd tonight? No? Fucking perfect. I can do the rest of this bit. So, here's why. Okay, so when two Muslims run into each other in the wild, they like to play a game called the Muslim Off, right? It's a battle to see who is more Muslim, all right? And it's a battle that I will definitely lose, right? Here's how it would go. So I'd be sitting in my apartment, which was, the size of this rug up here, and I'd call an Uber, right? Spin around. Ding! Who's my driver? Muhammad Akbar. Fuck! We're off to a very bad start. This is gonna be my companion in life for the next 20 minutes. I'm like, oh no, he's gonna wanna play, So I, go downstairs and I get in the back of his car. Already, I can see his thick, expressive Muslim eyebrows in the rearview mirror, Right now they're like this. They're curious. He's seen my name on the app. He knows what's up. So I can see his little doily hat, the Islamica. Anyone? Islamica? Thank you. And, he starts it off, He looks at me in the rearview, he says, Abdullah, huh? Oh, fuck, he pronounced it all correctly and shit. This guy's good at Muslim Off, I'm like, hey, how's it going? How's it going? And he fires off the second round. Are you fasting, Abdullah? I'm like, oh shit, it's Ramadan already? Fuck! Fucking lunar calendar. I miss it every year. Who uses it, I'm sitting back here sucking sausage meat out of my back teeth. Muhammad Akbar hasn't eaten since dawn. I know the Muslim-specific stuff is not going to play that well here, obviously. There's no Muslims. But yeah, it's a very hairy situation for me. God forbid I have a white girl with me when this shit's going down. Showing up to a Muslim Off with a white girl is like showing up to a knife fight wearing a t-shirt that says, I prefer spoons. It's just giving yourself away, Especially because, if you're in an Uber and it's the end of the night and, you're with, a member of the opposite sex, this is the moment when you're going to make your move, This is the moment when you're going to, initiate that next level, And, Stephanie is down. You know what I'm saying? But I can't do anything about it because the man who she now thinks is my father, Muhammad Akbar, is staring at us in the rearview mirror, and his eyebrows are like this now. The angle is completely the other way. She's like, what's wrong with this guy, And I'm just saying shit at this point. I'm like, school was good today, right, Stephanie? Why am I trying to impress this man? You know? So I had it. I fixed this problem for myself. I contacted Uber. I had them change my name in the app. So now when Muhammad Akbar pulls out in front of my house, I go downstairs, I get in his car, and he reads my name off the app. Antonio Gonzalez? I'm like, hola, amigo. Let's go to the liquor store. Not too much talking, all right? All right, guys. That's it for me. My name's Abdullah Saeed.